Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice your Tàijíquán for the purpose or with the idea that you're going to be practicing a stillness practice afterwards, maybe immediately afterwards. I'm about to do a meditation class. The particular way to do this, it can actually be helpful to do your stillness practice, get really clued into the problems it presents, then do your Tàijíquán practice, and then give another go to the stillness practice. So that might take a little bit more time or sort of mental energy. But at the very least, doing your Tai Chi before your practice. So if I know my practice and I'm going to be doing a seated practice, I kind of know, or have a pretty good idea, what parts of me are going to get itchy to move first, which parts of me are going to get numb first, which parts of me are going to tire first. And what I'm going to be doing is doing my Tai Chi practice with an eye towards those particular elements of the body and being, and seeing if I can give them a little bit more attention, a little bit more chi flow, a little bit more stretch, a little bit more hold, maybe a little bit more repetition. So if that's the piece that gets where the ribs bother me when I'm meditating, maybe I'll just find a way to practice that a few times when I get there in my Tai Chi Chuan form, so that I'm using my Tai Chi Chuan practice, which ought to allow you to access consciously and physically all of the elements of the being. I can use that to give a little special attention to those parts that are going to ask for some special attention when I'm doing a stillness practice like Yi Chuan, or as I'll be doing sitting meditation. So you may have noticed that your art is making you a better human being. Share that with people. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.